Yep, I'm back with XLR 3D, and in this small video here we'll be installing open source from the LiveCD that I've just booted into the Sun VirtualBox just now. So hopefully you can see this. I'm not 100% sure, I haven't looked over the last video, but I want to just open this to respond to my request. It's not normally this slow. I'm running a few things at the minute. Guys, I'm also running Windows 7 Professional. I'm going to be having a giveaway competition for a Windows 7, a genuine Windows 7 giveaway to get your own version of Windows 7 absolutely free from me. You get your key and a download link from Microsoft to download your ISO. So I'll be releasing more information about the giveaway at a later date, possibly in the next week to 2 weeks. Right, the installation things popped up now, so we want to click next. Hopefully you can see what I'm running. It says the entire disk will be erased, the whole 16 gig ATA disk. So yeah, we just want to get rid of that and just get rid of it. So time zone, date, blah blah blah, region, I'm in the UK. So yep, so I'm in Europe and I'm in Britain, and keep the time zone like that. I'm not too bothered about the rest of it, but yeah, you can change it if you want to. If it's not up to 100% scratch of what yours is, just change it. Territory, I'm in Great Britain at the minute. So yep, Great Britain, and next. Root password. Since it's only going to be a virtual machine for this demonstration, G51 YouTube, G51 YouTube. Yep, and you want to create your name, so the login name, your user password, and your computer name, just leave that as standard. Generally I always like to take up, just keep most things as standard, just for safety, in case anything goes wrong. And I can also always report back to OpenSolaris about any errors, bugs, stuff like that. It's just preparing installation. I'm going to pause the video until it gets to about until any pop-up screens come up or anything like that for you. So yep. Right guys, that's it complete. So we can review the installation log, or we can just click reboot to reboot it. For quickness, I'm just going to click reboot and reboot the system. I don't know how long this video is at the moment, so hopefully it'll work. I don't know. I can convert it into YouTube and that, so hopefully YouTube will allow me this video. So when this restarts, there we go. So restarting now. Oh, whoa, wait, whoa. Let me unmount CDs and reboot it again. Always remember when you restart it, unmount this one so you're not rebooting onto the actual LiveCD. Yep, and just reset. So hopefully it should automatically save itself. Yep, and there we go, it's booted straight from the hard drive, OpenSolaris, which was compiled on the 6th of the 9th, 6th of 2009, which is June, I think, July, something like that. Yeah, June, isn't it? Yeah. When this boots up, I'll finish this video and I'll create another video on how to use basic functions of OpenSolaris. This is a virtually part 2 of part 1, part 2 of 2 parts on how to boot and install OpenSolaris. First by downloading the LiveCD and then installing it from the LiveCD onto the hard disk. I'm only using a 16 gig virtual hard disk on this dynamic hard disk, but yeah, to start with, it's alright for learning and getting used to using different operating systems. I'm sure this is a Java operating system, I'm not 100% sure, but I think so. It's either Java and a mix of Linux, I'm reckoning. I'm not 100% sure. I'll check up and I'll post it. If I'm right, I'll just not post anything. I think it's Java, but it's a Sun Microsystems operating system, so it's Java, I reckon. Yeah. Because as soon as you open VirtualBox, you'll see an option to install Solaris, and you've got Solaris 64 bits, OpenSolaris, and OpenSolaris 64 bit as well. So you know, this is taking a wee while. I'll pause the video until OpenSolaris is booted.